Welcome to this comprehensive breakdown of the Wells Fargo Autograph Card. In this video, I'll take you through everything you need to know about this popular credit card. No fluff, just the facts. Whether you're a beginner to credit cards or looking to switch to a more rewarding card, stick around for the full picture. Let's dive straight into it. The Wells Fargo Autograph Card is a rewards card designed for people who want to earn points on their everyday spending without paying an annual fee. It offers 3x points on categories like dining, travel, gas stations, transit, popular streaming services, and phone plans. Plus, you're in 1x points on all other purchases. If you're a frequent spender in these categories, this card is built for you. One of the biggest advantages of this card? There's no annual fee. So, you don't have to worry about paying a yearly cost just to enjoy these rewards. And the introductory 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 12 months makes it even more attractive for those planning large purchases or consolidating debt. After the intro period, though, a variable APR of around 20.74% to 27.74% applies, depending on your creditworthiness. Now, let's talk about the services. You can redeem your points for travel, gift cards, or even cash back, offering flexible ways to use your rewards. The card also provides access to Visa signature benefits, which includes travel perks like roadside dispatch and extended warranty protection on eligible purchases. However, like any card, there are some downsides. For one, there's a 3% foreign transaction fee, so it's not ideal for international travelers. Also, while the categories for 3x points are great, they might not match everyone's spending habits, especially if you don't use streaming services or dine out often. The Wells Fargo Autograph Card also comes with strong security features, such as zero liability protection and the ability to lock and unlock your card instantly through the Wells Fargo app. Customer support is available 24/7, adding another layer of convenience. In terms of fees, aside from the 3% foreign transaction fee, there's a balance transfer fee of 5%, $5 minimum, which is pretty standard. It's also important to note that if you miss a payment, the penalty APR can go as high as 29.99%, so make sure to pay on time. Overall, the Wells Fargo Autograph Card is a solid choice for those who spend regularly in the bonus categories and want to avoid annual fees. But if you travel internationally frequently or need a broader range of rewards categories, this card might not be the best fit for you. That's the rundown. If this breakdown helped you understand whether the Wells Fargo Autograph Card is right for you, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more straightforward financial tips and reviews. Thanks for watching.